Hello and welcome to Elephant English Podcast. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 25 difficult words to pronounce in English for English learners. Knowledge. His knowledge of science was excellent. Vegetable. I don't like a lot of vegetables. Rural. I would like to live in a rural area. Temperature. The temperature of the sea is 17 degrees Celsius. Psychiatry. She is studying psychiatry. War. Have you heard the latest news about the war? Rhythm. This rhythm reminds me of a song that I like. Stomach ache. I've got a really bad stomach ache. Maneuver. The driving test examiner will ask you to perform several maneuvers. Jewellery. You could get her some jewellery for her birthday. Hygiene. Personal hygiene is very important. Cemetery. The cemetery is next to the church. Author. The author of this book is quite famous. Encourage. I encouraged her to continue studying. Paw. Dogs have 4 paws. Tongue. Tongues are used to taste food. Women. There are more women in this class than men. Minutes. I have been waiting for 20 minutes. Choir. The choir was singing in the church. Ocean. He loves swimming in the ocean. Particularly. The gift wasn't particularly special or personal. Thief. The police caught the thief and arrested him. Thigh. This dress covers my thighs, so it isn't very short. Ireland. Have you ever visited Ireland? Lettuce. I added some lettuce to the salad. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of videos like this. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.